Hello people, welcome to my channel. I am owner and founder at Soul Revolution with Sanskriti. So many of my clients are coming up with the question that what are twin souls, twin flames. So I thought let's make a video on this. So what are twin souls? When the actual Big Bang happened, like we as a soul got separated from the white light, from the creator. So we, when got separated from the creator, were divided into two halves. These two halves are twin souls. So if I am there, there's somewhere, someone in some part of the world or any other galaxy, my twin soul exists, right? I am just a half of him. So whenever twin soul come against each other, right, it's a massive destruction. Generally twin souls don't take birth together on the same planet. So it is destructive. Why it is destructive? Because twin soul will tell you, you are wrong, you're not doing this right, you're not doing this correct, you need to improve yourself. So that pin again and again comes only from the twin souls, right? And that is not like mother saying that tum pad lo ki tumhare marks achhe nahi aa rahe. No, it is bigger than that. When you have to learn a lesson, when you have to upgrade yourself as a soul in your soul evolution journey, twin souls play a major role. So if you love someone, it is not necessary that it is a twin soul. He or she can also be your soulmate. Okay, so twin souls are the one who will destroy your life, will tell you beta tu galat hai, you are wrong, you need to improve yourself. You will never be having that so very happy relationship with your twin soul at all. There's so many negative blocks, there are so many karmic entangling with your better half, there are so many negative energies that has developed incarnations after incarnations between you two, right? So twin souls are basically your mirrors. A mirror that will tell you that you're wrong, a mirror that will tell you that you have to learn this lesson to grow. So these are twin souls. Now, can we know our twin souls, right? So in case I have my twin souls somewhere on the same galaxy, so if I have an intuition that, okay, this X person is my twin soul, yes, healing modality can tell you that if he or she is your twin soul or not. Yes, healing modality can clear the negative blocks between you, the curses, the spells, and any kind of foreign energies that exist between you and your twin soul can be cleared. Now, how will you get to know if he's your twin soul or she's your twin soul? So, whenever he or she will gonna come in front of you, whether you're not of the same class, you're not of the same mentality, same religion, you will know that he is the one, she is the one. You will feel that I can only be completed, I can only be feeling complete with this person. That can be any relationship. It need not be a romantic relationship. Okay, so twin souls, twin flames, they play a very important role in our life, and they are absolutely different from soulmates. So we have only one twin soul, whereas we have many soulmates. Soulmates are part of our soul family, whereas twin flame are part of us. So if you like the video, give a thumbs up. If you have any queries, any more questions, and if you want more discussions on any other topic, you can leave a message. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to our page Soul Revolution with Sanskriti, and also subscribe to my channel Sanskriti Sethi. Thank you. God bless.